Hey guys, I'm Steff, and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You know the drill. Before we begin, make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you'll never miss one of my video uploads. I'm a huge fan of Dose of Colors cosmetics, especially their eyeshadow palettes. So when I saw they were coming out with 2 new eyeshadow palettes, I knew I had to pick one of them up. And the one I chose is the Smokey Soiree Eyeshadow palette. This is a gorgeous neutral eyeshadow palette, very smoky, definitely lives up to its name. And what's new about these palettes, guys, is that they added those 2 shimmer shades in there. Normally these 5-pan palettes are all matte shades, but this time around with the release of these 2 new eyeshadow palettes, they added the shimmer. So that's what makes them different from their typical 5-pan palette that is all matte. This eyeshadow palette retails for $32 on the Dose of Colors website. I do know that Ulta carries Dose of Colors, although I haven't seen this on their website as of today. But let's go ahead and jump into using this new Dose of Colors Smokey Soiree eyeshadow palette. If you want to see how I got these 2 gorgeous looks right here, keep on watching. Alright guys, let me give you all my final thoughts on the new Dose of Colors Smokey Soiree eyeshadow palette. First off, I think the color story is beautiful. This just called my name, and I really liked the other one that they came out with as well. That was more of a warm tone green color scheme. This one, for some reason, I don't know, it's just that like smoky neutral palette, that like mini palette that you just need to have in your collection, and I felt like I was missing this here in my stash. I know that might seem hard to believe, but trust me, I don't have another small palette like this that has these gorgeous shades in it. And for Dose of Colors to be adding shimmer to these little 5-pan palettes, I am all for it because I don't tend to usually do just an all matte look. I always like to have a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of sparkle to all of the eye looks that I create. So that's why I was really excited to try out one of these palettes, and it was really hard for me. I couldn't get both of them. I had to choose one. This is the one I chose, and I couldn't be happier with it, guys. These matte shades, oh my goodness, they are so pigmented. You don't need a lot. Just apply a little bit with your blending brush, start blending away. You're gonna find that they blend like a dream. They're super pigmented. I really enjoyed working with them. I didn't get any fallout with the matte shades. The only one that I got fallout with were the shimmer shades, but it was just a little bit. It's nothing excessive at all. You don't need to do your eyes first and then your base unless that's what you're used to doing. I, for one, love to have all of my foundation, my face makeup on, and then I like to do my eyes. Now you'll notice today, again, I don't have any like blush or bronzer on. That's because I am going to do another tutorial, another review after this that's gonna involve some type of powder, so stay tuned for that one. I also want to say that I did enjoy the little brush that came with the palette. It's a very small brush, but I like this side right here. This is the side I used to apply the shimmer shades, and I did wet it. I found that wetting the shimmer did give it a little bit better placement, a little bit better of an application, and I do that with a lot of my shimmers anyway, so that's no big deal. And then on this side of the brush, I liked that it has that little point there. That's really good for doing like an eyeliner or just being really precise with the color placement. So I thought the brush was cute. The palette is wonderful. If you're interested in picking up this palette, it is available on the Dose of Colors website. Also, guys, if you're curious about the other products that I am wearing, they will be linked in the description box down below. I do want to give a quick mention to the lip gloss that I am wearing. This is one of the new indie brands that I am trying. This is from Rosewood Cosmetics, and this is the shade Valentina. Guys, this is a Black-owned beauty brand, very small beauty brand based out of Detroit. And pretty soon, in the next few days, maybe in about a week, no more than a week, I'm going to be doing an indie brand makeup week here on my channel, where I'm going to show you guys all of the items that I've purchased recently from indie brand makeup, as well as using the products. And we're just going to devote a whole week to indie brand makeup because I really want to add and I really want to focus on buying more indie brand makeup. I think it's really great if we can support small business, especially right now, that we do so. So this Rosewood Cosmetics lip gloss, as well as the other products that I picked up from Rosewood, will be in those upcoming videos, so definitely stay tuned for that. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.